If you've ever thought how all of these people are making so much money in the stock market by trading, then this video is something that you're going to love. Today I'm going to talk about this new product. In fact, it's not a product, it's a masterclass that has been launched, which is called as the 4 Candles Formula. Now, 4 Candles Formula is a simple 3-day masterclass by Sean Donahoe, and this is designed for complete beginners with no tech skills, no prior experience, and it teaches you a brand new way to trade that's so simple that the creators of this formula have switched all their own trading to this method, and it takes only about 10 minutes every day. What makes it unique? This is just one skill that you need to learn, nothing else. It has a 75.5% proven success rate so far. Zero risk. You get to practice everything live before using real money, and there is no need for traffic, customers, or even ads. If you've tried everything else, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and failed, or if you're busy and want something you can do in a few minutes a day, or you're just tired of all of these complex systems and want something that is very simple and really works, then this masterclass is something that you definitely need to attend. So what is included in the 4 Candles Formula? It is a daily live training over 3 days. You get a full walkthrough of the method with real world practice and direct feedback. And by the end, you'll be confident in using this skill to generate income from trading. You can see here I'm on the sales page. This session is going to go live on the 12th of May, which is 6 days from now. And the seats are limited. Like what I said, if you wait too long, then you might not be able to get inside because there are limited seats available. Because at the price of only $19, this is a steal of a deal. You're getting access to the live masterclass plus 8 different bonuses. I'll show you what those bonuses are, but that is basically what it is. On the sales page, you'll be able to see what the 4 Candles Formula is, along with some proof where people have really made money. Now, these are the 8 bonuses included. You can see there's a 2 bonus days of training after the live masterclass. There is a Discord group, the session transcripts, Cliff Note guides. There is an AMA session, additional partner spouse seat if you choose to bring somebody, and there is a 24-hour replay access. So those are some of the bonuses that are available. And this is basically what the system is. This is the old way, and this is a new way, which is a very simple way. You can look at the steps involved and you'll be able to see how easy it is. That is basically what they're going to teach you in this masterclass. And you can see here, they've put some screenshots of the real trade example. You can see here, and this should give you a fair idea of what exactly they are talking about. And there are some proofs of the kind of profits that they are making. There are some real screenshots as well. If you go further down, you can see here, there are some real screenshots. So that is basically what the 4 Candles Formula is. It's basically a masterclass. I would recommend that you book right away because the seats are limited, and if you're able to get through right now, then I think you'll be able to confirm your seat today. I've seen a lot of make money online systems, but this one stands out for 2 reasons. One, it is testable before you really go live, which is a huge confidence booster. And number 2, it doesn't rely on tools, subscriptions, or anything else ongoing, which means anybody can start it, run it without really investing anything into any software or tools. This masterclass is kicking off soon. Spots are limited. So if you want to learn this high income skill that can pay you daily, then you might want to check out the 4 Candles Formula now. Now keep in mind that this is about trading. Trading has its own risk, so there is a risk factor involved. While this formula is proven and it has worked for a lot of people, you still need to practice it before you start and go ahead and implement it. Keep in mind that it all depends upon how well you learn the system and implement it. So ensure that you're being attentive and attending the 3-day live masterclass so that you're able to learn this skill. And the best part part, this 3-day live masterclass is coming at a one-time charge, a very minimal one-time flat fee of less than $20. So at that charge, this training, this information that you're going to get is a real steal of a deal. So go ahead and check it out. You'll be able to find a link in the description box below. Go ahead, use the link, check it out, and watch the live masterclass. Now this is an affiliate link, so if you use that link, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But if you use this link and book your masterclass, then I have a few bonuses for you. You'll be able to find all the details in the description box below. Go ahead and book your masterclass today itself, because this is going to be amazing. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. I'll respond to all of that. If you're new to this channel, then do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. That is all that I have today. I'll be back again with another product review. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.